welcome to a new video. I know this is probably going to be a very short one, but we're at some waterfalls and here they are.
Rainbow Falls.
Rainbow Falls, look out.
Oh.
Here's the waterfall. That is a big waterfall. Oh, I bet there's secret treasure under that waterfall.
I bet that somebody peed under that. I bet that would hurt to be at the bottom of that.
Yeah, I bet you would die.
It's not a fountain, so it's just constantly runs. And then that's always amazing. I'm at a waterfall.
I know we're going up to a higher vantage point, which is actually just like a couple steps up, but I think you can see more into the cave and stuff.
Yes, and there's literature.
Ew, boring.
From 2CO.
Waterfall. Ellie,
What?
thoughts?
It's cool. I can't see from over here.
Right now we're at Pee Falls.
No, boiling pot.
Oh, boiling pot? I thought we were at Pee. Oh, so we're at boiling pot. I don't know.
Boiling pot.
Boiling pot. I think you can get in the water because some people were coming with like floats and stuff, but I don't want to. Let's see. I see a little bit of a river. Can't really see it, but there's a waterfall.
No, my head is, I don't like heights. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Wowee. Ellie, where are we?
Pee Falls.
We're at Boiling Pots. I said the same exact thing. Look at that tree. That's a cool tree. I know. It looks like Avatar. Thoughts?
It's nice. I like it a lot.
We got a quick waterfall. It's pretty tiny. It's not that big. And then we're gonna probably go to. Oh, never mind. That's actually pretty big. Oh, there's two. Dada, it's like Predator. It's like Predator. Over there. What do you think?
I've been contributing a lot.
Here's the other half of it. Big waterfalls right there.
Oh.
And I think we're gonna go to one more waterfall and then we're going to some lava tubes. See you there. You can't really see, but other waterfall is over there. And this is a little area where you can get in the water, swim around. Pretty cool. There's some other trails that I think we're gonna go through. They're just up here. Oh, I almost just fell.
You going back?
There's also down there, which is like the dam wall. I think we're gonna. Mom! We found it!
It's the plant!
Oh!
It's the plant that like closes when you touch it! We found it!
I found it!
Gavin like touched it and we expected it to do nothing, and then we like looked back at it and it was moving.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. I'm so excited.
We found it!
I have been looking for this plant for
Holy
years.
crap.